Well, hi y'all, and thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy today. I'm trying to put on a really happy smiley face because I've had some crazy stuff happen lately. Well, last night I was getting ready for bed, and all of a sudden my phone did one of those dings where you have like a Facebook message. I clicked on it, and someone sent me a message, a man, on my Mary Kay Facebook page, extremely inappropriate. And oh my God, it just freaked me out. So I start figuring out how to delete this message, this extremely disturbing message. and so I keep clicking on things, click, and every time trying to get to where to delete it, because it shocked me. I kept hitting the wrong thing, and it just kept popping back up. So I'm like, oh my gosh. So anyway, I need to do something really happy today. Really happy. And please give thumbs up, likes, shares, comments, and tell me what you want to see for a Tuesday tip. Today, what I'm going to do is Libby, thank you for your question. Libby has a friend who wants to do a pour with no cells. I know as a lot of people are like, scrambling and to get, massive, beautiful, gorgeous cells. But I have to, had to make, and I want to thank you again, Libby, because it made me go back and think I've done some really pours that I love personally that don't have all the cell action going on. Now, can't guarantee 0, but you might get just a little tiny one here and there. So anyway, I want to show you today how to do a pour without trying to get all the huge cells or minimal cells overall. So anyway, smiley face on. Gosh, it's just crazy world, and it's cold today. I am freezing, and it's supposed to get down to 29 tonight. So okay, I know some of you are in places that are really cold, but it's just I'm a fair weather gal. Anyway, all right, let me show you how to do this. I've got a little 8x10 canvas here, and I'm going to be using, this is Metallics Rich Espresso. Let's shed some light on that. I've got Tropical Blue, and, well, this is Holly Green. So what I want to do for this, I'm going to mix basically a 1-to-1 ratio of paint, and I'm going to be using the Golden GAC 800 instead of Floetrol. Floetrol seems to help, I hope I have enough of this. It seems to really help promote cells. Oh no, I thought I had enough. Okay, we'll have to go with another plan on that. Feels like more in there. Okay, I'm gonna need to improvise with a little bit different colors. So let's see what I have. Okay, we're gonna create some oddball color here because I'm gonna add bright blue in here with this. So no telling what. Okay, now again, I'm gonna use the GAC. And like I said, about a 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to just double what I have here. Liquitex would be the other thing I would recommend, which I don't have any right now. I have this, so this is what we're going to use. I love these little things. I've got these, and this is by Unicorn Art, but I got them on Amazon, and they'll be down in the link below, but that you can wash them and keep using them. I was just running through popsicle sticks way too much, and because they absorb so much of the paint, they just weren't, you know, sometimes they work, but these work because I can use these with resin or paint. And you can wipe the resin off if you don't leave it on, you know, like overnight. Huh, yeah, I've done that. Yes, my, still trying to figure out why God's Green Earth, some moron, would think that they needed to email, or not email, message a 62-year-old woman something as inappropriate as was sent to me. Why? Why? What does their mothers teach them? First of all, I was taught to respect my elders. Boy. Okay. Nice consistencies here. Perfect. So, I'm going to start layering these. You know, but sometimes I think that, you know, you start, get so wrapped up in one thing with our projects, you kind of forget to, like, hey, let's go back and look at some things. So Libby, I want to thank you again for your comment and your question, and again, if any of you have anything, I saw a great post today. Someone, and this is, you know, something I would like to address as well, but only if you tell me that you want to address this. The comment was, do y'all think that, and it was on a group, not my group, I still need y'all to jump over to my Facebook group. See the link below. But the question was, do, you know, the greats, as she put it, do you think they have bad pores? Well, I got a lot to say about that. And I'm sure they would too. And I've talked to a lot of the really great artists. And trust me, we all have them. Now, generally, I like showing how, okay, this pour didn't work out. Let's keep working with it. So, I don't know. You all let me know. Yeah, just tell me what you think. Okay, enough of that. So here, got my cup, and like I said, this is a small little canvas. Don't need a whole lot of paint. But I'm just going to start pouring. Not going to do anything aggressive with the paint. Not on this one. I mean, I think you could still even do a flip cup with this, and it would still be, you still are going to have the results you're wanting. So let me grab gloves. if we can start stretching this around. I want to try get all the edges before I let it flow off. And let's see if we can get, I got a blob of paint there that I don't wish to have. Tell if I got all my edges. Oops, nope, still see little pieces here and there. Oh, okay. Pretty colors, pretty colors. Now, what you can, oh, there's never what you need when you need it. With this, you're still not going to even hurt anything to do a swipe. And I'm not swiping with anything, I'm just swiping across. I mean, when I say with anything, I don't have anything on here, no swipe colors here. So I'm just going to do a little. Gently, gently, trying to anyway. Whoops. Now I do have some bubbles that I need to pop, but as you can see, no significant cells. But still you've got great color and you have little details going on. And if you want to swipe, clearly you can swipe it. But anyway, Libby, I hope this is helpful for your friend. And again, y'all pop. I need to see some art today. So I hope that you will go to join the Facebook page and let's have some positive conversations. And I want to see what you guys are working on. That would make my day. So anyway, again, Floetrol is going to promote more sales. So use something like Liquitex, or clearly this GAC works. A 1-to-1 ratio, and create the kind of pour that if you're wanting a pour, some of you clever artistic people could probably even do more control things with your colors. I have well, I should show you my very first pour. Y'all would freak out. But anyway, don't forget to check the links below and let me know what you'd like me to do for next week's Tuesday tips. So, hey, whoever's the first to pop that in there and tell me what you'd like to see is going to be the one I do. So, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and hey, thumbs up. You all have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you next time.